After doing this tutorial, I think you should go for something else. Put on ememys. So yeah, I'm gonna ignore the noise if just someone's washing clothes. But here's this old tutorial. I'll put some. Oh, this is gonna be a new one. Oh my god. Does that sound you might not be able to. Okay. Get this ant chip. And oh yeah, you just wire all destroyed to this. Then you could wire I need to find the spawner component. I don't know how to say it though. Okay. So after these two enemies die, it'll start spawning these enemies right here. So yeah, you saw my last tutorial. Probably did. Just gotta go to create object board. Just gotta do this. Just gotta configure the AI, and then create object board. And just gotta. Oh my god, there's so much noise going on. Okay, I just gotta this. Okay, I do have a weapon here, so yeah, this is how you. After two enemies are dead, this big boy will spawn. And there we go. He has spawned. Never knew I could do that either. That's today's tutorial.